back to Craftily.
Guess what we're doing today?
You can never guess. Well, not. Okay, and we're going to introduce you to our kitties because they're adorable. Look at her face, and she's so fluffy. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that face.
And where are we today?
This is Monty, by the way. Hi, say hi, Monty. And then this. If we crouch. Hello, Missy. Hi. I love you too. Ooh, almost fell over there.
We're at the bottom of the garden.
Bottom of our garden. Yes, we have a garden. Bees. Say the bees. If you haven't checked out our bee video, check that out. Look at the self-promotion and getting better at it. If you want more cat content, say, because I'd happily oblige. Yeah. Anyway, today we are unboxing the June Scrawlrbox.
Yes.
And I'm going to try not to let myself get distracted by the cats.
Which is quite impossible for Rianne. So
Look at it!
No, I'm holding the camera. This stops her.
Our cats will also be in our next video.
Yay!
So, if you don't like us, be like our cats. Watch. Anyway.
Oh, ready?
Ooh.
Wow, this is cool.
No. Didn't see that.
Didn't see that.
Didn't see a green pad. This is weird tissue paper. I think it's more expensive. Ew, getting posh. What about?
What's the first? I can't see
Van
anything.
Dyke Brown. Van Dyke Brown.
Ooh. So
It's
watercolour?
made in Germany and it's Faber-Castell.
Ah.
Or Faber-Castell. Faber-Castell. I'm pretty sure it's German, isn't it? Yeah, Germany. Or if you're Welsh, Faber-Castell.
You have to
There's
get
like a
your bit of Welsh.
million ways to say that.
Yeah.
But like Castell. Very quickly. Erasers.
Yay.
And attracts creatures. No, that's a joke. Very nice.
Very pigmented.
Very
aren't they?
nice. We know how Poscas work because we've had them before. Right. Let's try. Which colour? Just one colour for the first try.
You go for a darkish one then. Not too dark. Huh?
This one. Brown. Let's go brown.
Oh, wow.
And then let's try and wash the brown off slightly because this is totally going to work. And try the red because red's always a good colour to try out, isn't it? Nice. And one blue. And I said I was going to do one, but it seems to wash off the brush quite easily, so we're good. Another and if you add another one on top, that's what it looks like.
Very good. You happy now you've done your swatch?
Happy, yeah. I wish I could do all the colours. I'm here with my chocolate and my sweet.
I'm going to get a wet knee.
So you're for wearing Crocs.
Right, you might want to get that to the paint before it all leaks out.
Obviously, we're a totally normal family. Hello, cat and speaks
We don't
English.
have ponds and streams and...
We don't have ponds, that's the neighbour. So this is the water. And here, look at it defy gravity. And here.
Oh.
We're going to go through the art stuff. So we got this lovely piece of art.
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you, Joanna Fee. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong because I'm Welsh. And you're not. Anyway, this is it. If you want to pause it and read it, and go check out their Instagram. They're very good. This is the paper that we have.
Watercolour card. Of good quality.
They're the same type, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you held one back to front.
I'd say
But the
about...
question is which way? Is that, I
300?
think that might be the back. And let's check out where it is. You said about 300.
Yeah.
Drum roll, please. does it say? 100% gone.
300.
Oh yeah, there.
Yes!
I completely didn't see it. You win nothing! Congratulations.
I win a piece of picard. Yay!
Right, boxes to lean on. We're literally like, not stranded, but we have nothing else with us. Apart from what came with a box and a pair of scissors to get into said box.
And
This is a
water
Staedtler erasable red pencil. And red's my favourite colour. So it's like a new. They're going to be drawing what's in front of us.
And I'm going straight in with the coloured pencils.
And I'm going to do this. Right. Alright. Look, this is what I get for drawing my left hand.
The other side.
What was the prompt again? We'll pop it on the screen.
Yeah. Summer flourish or something, isn't it?
Oh yeah. We're drawing these from a distance, so if accuracy isn't completely accurate, you can't blame me, okay? Just drawing a quick thing today.
Which one's the bird song though?
Cut music. Isn't that peaceful?
It is.
This is a foxglove, by the way. I'm pretty sure it's like a sort of staple British plant. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a British staple wild plant.
I'll go take you for a closer look while she's drawing.
Yeah. I wish I could have a closer look.
There it is. I find them beautiful. Let's have a look over here. Loads.
I might have a quicker another go and see which drawing I like the best. So
Okay, I go in with a paint in mine then quickly. And then
okay,
I
I'm
can-
gonna go off on the bench.
Okay. So I'm going to try and film and paint at the same time now. This is going to be fun.
Hopefully this works. If not, next time you'll see me, I'll be doing stuff. Mew. Missy. Oh no. Rita, this is what I've got, it's not the best. And that's the flower. With spiky bits. Which one do you prefer then, that one or that one? That one?
Yeah.
Probably Scrawlrbox cereal colour. Oh. Look at that baby. Yeah. 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 Alright, she's doing it. With the pencil. You can look at her or what the cat's doing. Your choice. Highlights.
Obviously some of the colours in here, but there we are. It's just a quick fun watercolour painting outside.
Look at that trail. Oh, that's so cute. Sorry.
Right, should we undo it? That looks really good, sweetheart. I really like that.
I'm not personally really a fan of it. Ah!
I really like it.
We've got a visitor. Zoom in on the visitor. So this is what we got on this Scrawlrbox, and this is what we made.
Yay, I'm quite happy with mine, and I love Rianne's.
I'm not a
I don't
fan
like
of
it, but I love that. You've got a better colour on the foxgloves.
Oh, hello. What?
Mine was more sort of the impression
that
of a
just
foxglove.
confused me.
You went into a bit more detail.
I
on
feel yours is like what you'd get on the card, and mine's like
yours is
what I'd
lovely.
do.
That's not nice. But yeah, it was a very good. What are your overall impressions of the things, Ray?
Good. I had one of these before and they didn't erase as good, but I think it might have been the paper that they work better on, so that's good. And these two were very nice to use. They were nice and smooth.
They were.
And then Posca was a Posca.
I mean, you can see on here I did
and
use.
I like how those dried. They dried very well.
Yeah, I used the pencils here, so you can see, just to give a bit of impression of grass and.
But those
grass
dried
seeds.
very professionally, didn't they?
They did, and they were
didn't
very.
look too chalky or anything.
No, and they were very smooth to use. You didn't have to really fight to get some pigment up, did you? It was like.
Yeah.
It was really good.
And we didn't use this for normal water, so it'd probably be even better.
Yeah, it was made with stream water. Yay! So anyway, we hope you enjoyed watching us outside for a change, isn't it?
Yeah.
Outside in the sun. We don't always stay in bed, honestly, or on the bed. But
What the cats do. Obviously.
so, well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and next one will be another unboxing, so please keep an eye out for that
So we'll see you
next time.
all next time.
Cracky Leaks. Bye.
Bye. Hope you like our art. Also check out our other Scrawlrboxes.